we're here. We want to get, we're gonna keep driving down this road, I think, because today we wanna go here.
We're here. Just a little tiny. You know.
We're gonna walk down and then up. Where are we going, you guys?
We're going to a water.
We're walking up the logging road to Laurel Fork.
No, it's
Falls.
higher than it looks.
So we parked right over there, and we were walking up that road, and then we quickly checked GPS, and it was the wrong way. So we came back to the little trail map right there, and we're gonna go up this way.
Isn't that good?
Park, go to the trail sign, go right past it. This is the trail. That's the way we came. That's the way we're going.
Salamander. Stop.
Yes, haven't done that.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Your Bob's food guy, your kids are food guy.
Taking a break to put on our rain jackets.
And then tap that on the bum. You'll have to walk through a river.
Rock hop.
Mama, you'll get your socks wet.
It's all right.
You step on that rock and avoid it, guys. You don't have to do it.
Hold that leaf up next to your face. Wow, those are huge.
Look at mommy. Look at mommy.
Cheese.
Okay. Ta-da! 1, 2, 3, cheese.
Not 2 miles one way.
Oh, it's 2.5 miles round trip.
I want to go over the bridge. I didn't know you had a rock bridge.
Good job. It's a good camping spot. Spot number 1. Spot number 2. Number 3. Several spots. Nice campfire grate. Thank you. Virginia Hawkins. Virginia Hawkins dance in my khaki pants. There's nothing better. made it. So the waterfall runs right under this log where we're having our snacks. So this is the snack log we sat on that has the waterfall running pretty much directly under it, which is really cool. We would definitely come back here in the summer because it looks like you can go behind all three of those waterfalls. And if I didn't want to get absolutely soaking wet today, we would definitely hike in the summer, get wet, hike back out.